'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Hello everyone, it's Melanie and welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, I am not going to make a vlog, but I want to show you everyone who's sending me their video birthday greetings. Yes, actually guys, I am asking them to send me their video. Kasi, actually, hindi ko magawa sa lahat because I don't know their messenger or nahihiya. Kung hindi man ako nakapaghingi sa iba, nahihiya ako. Pero yung mga hiningian ko, hindi ako nahihiya. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa nag-submit, or yung mga nag-submit, thank you. Yung gustong mag-submit, thank you. Pero sorry kung hindi ko kayo nahingian ng video greetings. But I really love to include you in my video for today. Yes, and today is my birthday. Yes, birthday ko na naman. Every year, I celebrate my birthday, but just today, I will celebrate it with all of you. Last year, I was planned to have a party, to have a birthday party with my YT family, of course, but I changed my mind. So, inisip ko na lang na mag-live. At least kasama ko pa rin kayo. Kaya I'm so happy and I'm so glad na medyo madami-dami din ang nagbigay ng kanilang video birthday greetings for me. Kaya I am so happy and so thankful to everyone. Thank you, and from the bottom of my heart, I am Melanie Tingson saying thank you. And here are the video greetings. Enjoy watching.
Hi dear, happy birthday! Oh, birthday mo na naman dear. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you always. You're so blessed na. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. At you're so happy with your family too. So, happy birthday to you. Stay safe and take good care of yourself. Always. Happiest birthday. I love you.
Hello, my loves. Melanie, good morning, good afternoon. Thank you so much at isa ako sa napiling babati sa iyo ng happy birthday. Always magpasalamat kay God for all the blessings at narating ang iyong birthday. Ang wish ko ay good health. Syempre nangunguna yan. More birthdays to come. More blessings to come. Enjoy your special day with love and happiness in your life. Good health and ulit God bless. Ayan. Ayan, my loves. Melanie. Thank you so much sa lahat ng support mo. Mag-ingat lagi. And love you. Happy birthday ulit, my loves, Melanie. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello po. At magandang araw po sa ating lahat. At may isang babatiin lang po ako na ito po yung nakasama ko na po siya sa pag-meet up po. At ako'y nabigyan ng magandang pagkakataon na sa pagbati po sa kay Idol Melanie Tingson. Ay ito po siya nandito sa kabila. Yan Idol Melanie, naway marami pang blessing na dumating sa iyo. More birthday to come and good health always. Naway pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon na maganda po ang iyong kalusugan at wala pong nararamdaman para hindi po sagabal sa iyong mga gawain. Ayan. At happy birthday po. Ayan na. At hindi ko na po patatagalin. Maiksi lang po ito. At ako'y nagpapasalamat dahil yun, nabanggit ko na kanina. At happy birthday po, idol. Yun, ito po si Melanie Tingson po. Ay, napakaganda po siya. O, kahit dito naman po makikita nyo siya. Yan, no? Yan. Happy birthday po at God bless, idol.
Hi! Sis Melanie! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. Have a good health always. More candles to blow. More years to celebrate. Stay happy as you are. Again, happy birthday, Sis Melanie! Enjoy your day! Bye!
Hello everyone! Good morning! Meron lang tayong babatiin na isang friend sa YT at napaka-legit na friend sa YT. Napaka-legit na supporter. Please subscribe, Miss Melanie Tingson's vlog. Napaka-legit niyan, guys. Please support. Thank you, Sis Melanie, sa pag-invite. Ito na, babatiin na kita ng happy birthday, Sisi. Wish you good health. At yun lang naman ang pinaka-importante sa atin, na malakas yung ating pangangatawan para sa ating gawain sa araw-araw. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. At nabaltaan ko, parehas pala yung sakit natin. Kaya, ingat-ingat. At, okay naman yung, nagpapa-check up ka, nagpapa-laboratory ka. Kaya, pag na-inom mo naman yung tamang gamot, magiging okay ka rin naman, sis. Parehas tayo ng sakit. Sa akin, thyroid hypo. Pero regular ko naman yung gamot ko, kaya okay naman. Hindi naman lumalaki masyado yung leeg ko. Yun lang. Happy birthday. At ko yung sabi mo doon sa live, hindi pa tayo nagkikita sa personal. Pero wag mo hanapin yung ganito itsura, dahil ito ay filter lamang at hindi malayo sa personal. Ayun lang, happy birthday, Sisi. Bye-bye.
Hi guys! Welcome sa channel ni Sis Melanie. Andito lang ako, guys, para i-greet ng happy birthday kay Lalabs Melanie, at wish ko is more birthdays to come, and then more blessings to your family, and thank you dahil na-meet kita in person, and salamat sa bilang pagkakaibigan. Salamat din sa support mo lagi sa akin. Then thank you always. I'm here to support you always. And then happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Enjoy your family, and then enjoy your celebration. God bless you. Happy birthday. Bye, guys.
Happy birthday, Sisi Mel! Wish you all the best in life, and of course, more years to celebrate on your birthday. Wala naman tayong ibang hiling lang talaga sa God, kundi yung pahabain pa ang ating buhay, and of course, healthy life, kasi big blessings na rin yun sa atin yung wala tayong nararamdamang sakit sa ating sarili, sa ating katawan. God bless you more, Sisi Mel, and your whole family po. Si Pearly M, bye po. Happy birthday once again.
Isang pagbati sa ating kasamahan sa YouTube. So, ayan. Happy birthday, mahal Melanie. So, ayan. Enjoy your day, mahal. So, wala naman akong masabi kasi alam ko namang nasa iyo na yung lahat. Abundance, pretty. So, ayan. Masabi ko lang ay sana ay maging okay ka palagi. Alam ko may pinagdadaanan ka po sa iyong kalusugan. Stipper lang po and strong palagi. Ingat ka palagi, mahal, sa iyong mga ginagawa. Alam ko medyo busy at pagod ka ngayon dahil wala na si Lord. So, ingatan mo palagi ang iyong kalusugan, mahal. Ingat, and maraming salamat sa iyong pag-support sa aking channel kahit na sobrang busy mo. Nandiyan ka pa rin sumusupport sa ating YT family. So, ayan. Thank you so much and I love you. Happy birthday once again. Ingat, mahal palagi.
This video, dahil birthday ni Ma'am Mel, hindi na ako pa ligoy-ligoy pa. 5 words lang ang masasabi ko sa iyo, Ma'am. Una, health, kasama siguro yung health and wealth. So health, okay naman yung check up mo, diba? Naging successful, walang problema. So yun, everything is okay. So panalo yung health mo dyan. So kung ano lang, may kunting ano ka, yung sabi mo magpahinga ka ng maaga, yun. So control, hindi na masyadong pupuyat dahil siyempre may ano na tayo ng ating age. Pero age is not is just a number, diba? So number 2 is family. Family, wala kang problema sa mga son and daughter mo, no? Kasama na yun si hubby mo. Siguro naging mabait sila dahil, di ba, supportive siya sa iyo, sila sa inyo, sa iyo. At yun, may mga happiness na sila. Nagsunod-sunod na yung mga birthdays nila, di ba? So walang okay yung family. So number 3 is your kay hubby. Alam naman natin na nasa abroad siya. So napaka-supportive niya, di ba? Nagbibigay nga siya ng videos para sa iyo. Doon rin namin nalalaman na yun pala yung buhay, seaman, di ba? So yun, okay yung number 3. Number 4, friends and waiting. So mga friends mo, ano ka, friendly ka, lalo na sa YT, ano ka, kung may ano, nasa balance ka lang, nasa equal, wala kang kinakampihan sa kaliwa, sa kanan, na balance ka lang, hindi ka tipong tahimik ka lang, kumbaga. So number 5 is syempre God. So dahil ano ka kay God, siguro yung bless ka dahil ano ka, malapit ka kay God, siguro lagi kang ano kay God. So lahat kasi ng ano kay God, believe kay God, is blessed. So yun, sa'yo, tungkol naman sa'yo, napaka-bait mo talaga. Wala akong masabi dahil yun nga yung naano kong umabot ng mga ilang buwan, no? Pero napaka mahabang pasensya. Tahimik, okay lang yung wala kang problema, okay lang ng okay. So yun, wala akong masabi sa iyo, no? Once again, salamat sa mga kabutihan mo. Hindi lang siguro sa iba, pati rin sa akin dahil alam ko nakilala kita, yung humingi ako ng favor sa iyo. Yun, thank you. So once again, dahil birthday mo nga, it's your happy birthday to you. So yun lang, bye bye.
Hello everyone! Isang maligayang pagbati sa ating kapwa YouTuber na si Ma'am Melanie Tingson. Happy birthday, Ma'am Melanie! I hope maligaya ka sa araw na ito. God bless, and I hope na sa lahat ng mga iyong mga hinihiling, bless na bless ka po ngayong araw na ito. God bless, Ma'am Melanie, and I hope continue supporting kapwa YouTubers and sa ating lahat. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Ma'am Melanie. Thank you.
Good morning. Ayan, nandito ako ngayon kasi meron akong babatiin. Ayan, dito. Tagalog naman ito. Ayan. Ma'am Melanie, ayan, babatiin ko lang si Ma'am Melanie ng happy birthday. Ayan. Happy birthday sa Ma'am Melanie, and stay healthy lang po lagi, and more blessings to come, and God bless you always. Ayan, ingat-ingat po lagi dyan. Ayan, sana happy ang iyong birthday. Ayan, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ayan, thank you Ma'am Melanie, dahil isa po ako sa nag-greet. Ayan, isa po akong sinabihan mo. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, thank you and happy birthday.
Hello everyone, gusto ko lang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan si Ma'am Melanie Tingson, ang pretty ng YT World. Happy birthday po Ma'am Melanie Tingson. Thank you so much po Ma'am Melanie, kasi isa ako sa napili mo na batiin ka sa iyong kaarawan. Sana po ay mag-enjoy ka sa iyong kaarawan, at sana po lagi kang healthy at lagi kang masaya. Be happy always. At sana maging blessed po ang iyong birthday, ang iyong family. Always safe po silang lahat. Ma'am Melanie, maraming salamat sa iyong suporta. Hindi lang sa akin, sa iba pa nating mga kaibigan dito sa YT. Sabi ko lang sa iyo Ma'am Melanie, kahit hindi pa kita nakasama in person, nakikita ko na sobrang bait mo. At marami kang kaibigan dito sa YT. So, yun lang. Lagi kang mag-ingat, Ma'am Melanie. Maligayang kaarawan ulit. Happy birthday. Sana kung ano man po yung mismo sa iyong kaarawan ay mag-grant mo po, matupad ang iyong wish. So, yun lang Ma'am Melanie. Happy birthday po ulit. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Melanie Tingson! Hoping today is filled with nothing but happy memories together with your son and daughter. Wishing you the best, having a good health po. Stay blessed, keep safe, just enjoy your day. I'm so lucky to meet someone like you po, because you're so kind, at sana magkita pa tayo muli para mas lalo pa kitang makabanding. So, ayan po, nandito lamang po kami para suportahan ka sa iyong YouTube world. Just keep uploading po. Ayan. Again, happy birthday po!
Hi, Mahal Melanie. Happy birthday, Mahal. Thank you always sa pag-play sa channel ko. Sana maging malusog ka palagi. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Thank you palagi dahil sinusuportahan mo yung channel ko. Kahit minsan di ako nakakapunta sa channel mo, sa mga live mo. Happy birthday, Mahal. Thank you so much. Mama Chup Chup. Love you, Mahal.
Hi, good morning. This is Maria Victor. Ay, happy birthday, Sister Melanie Tingson. May you have more birthdays to come. Dito na ako, walang ayos-ayos, na may mabuhay ka pa hanggang gusto mo. Sana magkita tayo next time kapag nakauwi ako. May awa ang Diyos. Happy birthday ulit. May the God bless you and to your family always. Good night. Ay, good night. Good morning. Happy birthday ulit. Good morning.
Hello guys. I'm Margie TV. Yan. So, babatiin natin ang ating birthday celebrant na parang artist. Wow! Walang iba kundi si Sis Melanie Tingson! First of all, I would like to say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. More blessing to come, more birthday to come, and stay healthy, good health, yan. And to your family, and to your husband, ayan. God bless to your family, ayan. So, thank you so much sa pag-invite mo sa akin. Nagbo-vlog ka na, no? Nagbo-vlog ka na. Kasi dati mga ano mo, yung mga toys, pero ngayon, nagbo-vlog ka na yan. Thank you so much sa pag-invite sa birthday greeting sa iyo, sis. Thanks for the friendship. Ayan. So, nakita na naman tayo. So, pag may time, magkikita ulit tayo. basta free time lang ako. Ayan. Thank you so much yung pag-support sa channel ko. Minsan, hindi ako nakaka-support kasi nga, siyempre may work ako. Pero minsan kasi, pag after ko na ng premiere, So, unti-unting bayad-bayad. Kasi nga, tinatago ko na yung yung computer ko. So, thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. Ayan. Sa support. And, ano pa ba? Ulit-ulit lang ako. Friendship. Ayan. At sana mag-grow pa ang yung channel, sis. Ayan, mag-grow pa yung channel. More mumu, more bananas. Ayan. And more vlog, more videos. Ayan. And thank you so much. At naging friend kita. At ano ba ito? At kahit di man ako nag-support sa'yo, pero kasi minsan sa comment lang ako hindi kasi ako minsan nag-check sa mga notification. Basta pag hindi ako busy, hawak lang ako ng cellphone. Thank you so much sis sa iyong pabiji-biji, support yan. And God bless, always take care. So ito ang aking sing para sa'yo. And thank you, God bless.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Tsura ko. Diba? Basta, langga happy birthday. Tika lang, mukha ko. Mukha akong syonga. Ayan. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Pakilala ko sa inyo si... sino ba to? Ito ay si Rabbit. Yan, si Rabbit. Yan. Si Rabbit ni siya. Hello everyone. Hi. Yan. Hello. Yan. Ay, ayan. Ganyan na natin. Para magbati na takay langga. Yan. Okay na yan. Okay na ni. Pagpasensya na kay mapay akong pang magkaligo. Yan lang ga, happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday lang ga. Wish na ko sa imong health, tuloy-tuloy na ng maayong imo ang health inya, syempre sa imo pong mga kids, sa imong bana. Diba, amping mo permi diha, basta happy birthday lang ga. Pasensya na, taas kayo niya akong greetings sa imo ha ba. Kaya ba, basta happy birthday ha, happy birthday sa lahat ng my birthday. Happy birthday lang ga, and we love you, I love you. Ingat-ingat always. Salamat sa love at sa support lagi sa amo ha. Bye-bye lang ga.
Gusto ko lang batiin ng ating nag-iisang lalabs, Melanie Tingson, ng happy birthday po. More birthdays and blessings to come. And syempre lahat tayo good health. Sana always. And salamat sa pagiging isang mabait na kaibigan at very supportive. At ipagpatuloy lang natin ang magandang samahan natin sa White World. And enjoy lang always ang YT. At yun, enjoy the rest of the day po. Happy birthday, Lalabs Melanie.
Hi guys! Nandito na naman tayo para batiin ang ating Lalabs Melanie ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tining na ba yung kamay? Happy na birthday pa yan. Happy birthday, Lalabs Melanie. More birthday to comes. More years to celebrate. Ayan. Ang wish ko lang naman ay happiness and good health para sa iyo. Kasi alam ko namang happy ka na sa iyong pamilya, at alam ko namang talagang good health lang po talaga ang kailangan natin para po mas lalo tayong maging masaya. Ayan, good health and be happy and stay safe po lagi, and We love you. Ayan. We miss you all. Sana makapag-banding ulit tayo ng wagas. Wagas sa tawanan, wagas na chikahan. Ayan. Thank you so much and happy birthday. Ayan, hindi ko na pahahabain dahil marami pang magbabati sa'yo ng happy birthday. Ngayon, konti lang. Konting atake lang tayo, guys. Konting atake lang. Kaya, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, this is Greasy TV, this is GPTV. So, thank you so much, Lalabs Melanie, for inviting me here. So, thank you so much for your support to my channel. Thank you so much for our long friendship. So, silent friendship lang kami. So, ayan, napakatahimik niya lang. And then, thank you so much for your patient, understanding. So, actually, bagong gising ako. Ayan. Sarap matulog pag Sunday. So, thank you so much for being a good friends for us. I wish you for your happiness, for your family, good health to you and your family, especially to your kids, husband. More candles to blow. Make more friends in YT. I hope one day you become a success. So, then YouTube, what else? Enjoyment. Please, what else? Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your birthday. So, thank you for everything. Hopefully, you don't change no matter what. So, kailangan lang natin support and then long friendship. So, sana walang magbago sa atin. Ayan. Make more revenues, make more videos, make more friends in YouTube. So, thank you so much. I am happy because you invite me to greet you. So, once again, I'm glad. So, happy birthday again. So, thank you. Bye-bye.
Mega love sardines po sa lahat. Narito po sa inyong harapan sina Father and Son.
Mali! Father at Son.
Nais po naming batiin ang ating kapatid dito sa YT World na nagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan. Ang nag-iisang Ate Melanie Tingson. Ate Melanie, maligayang kaarawan po. Nawa ay patuloy kang pagpalain kasama ang iyong buong pamilya at bigyan po ng sapat na kalakasan at magandang kalusugan sa araw-araw. Happy birthday and God bless you, Ate Melanie.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys. Good day everyone. Ako nga pala si Lumad. Lumad ako. Ito na nga, si Smell sa akin ng greetings para sa birthday niya. So, ito na yung birthday niya. Birthday greetings niya. Si Smell, happy birthday. More birthday to come and wish ko is good health ka always and stay humble and stay pretty and dito lang mga friends mo sa YT laging sumasuporta pag hindi busy. God bless you and more birthday to come at enjoy your day. Yun lang. Happy birthday and God bless. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa opportunity na mo sa akin binigay. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.
Loves Melanie, hello to you and to everyone. I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. Wish you and your family good health, more success, more happiness, and more blessings. Sabi nga nila, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo at gusto ni Lord. Ayan. Thank you for the friendship and thank you for sharing your blessings to me. Very thankful ako dun sa binigay mo, sa tulong mo. Hindi ko man hiningi. Sabi ko nga, 'di ba, sana wag na, but baka anong sabihin ng iba, but you insisted, so I'm very thankful kasi napaka-generous mo sa akin. So thank you. Thank you sa friendship. And enjoy your day. Ayan. Enjoy lang sa YT and more candles to blow. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Everyone, today is a very special day ng ating mahal na Loves Mars Melanie. And happy birthday Loves Mars Melanie. And I'm so happy that we are good friends for about, I think it's about almost 4 years na we are friends, and I'm happy na I am one of your circle of your friends here in YouTube world. At masaya ako kasi lagi tuwing birthday natin, ayan, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga ganitong special greetings para sa ating mga friendships sa YT. Ayan, wala na akong ibang masasabi kasi alam ko na you have everything in your life. You are so blessed. You have a happy family. You have a good family and good friends. You have a lot of friends. And I just pray to the Lord na the Lord will give you more years to celebrate and good health. And good health for you and your family. Ayan, sana umaba pa yung ating pagkakaibigan dito sa YT. Even sa personal kapag nagkita na tayo, and I really wish na magkita tayo pagdating ng araw kapag nakauwi na ako. Ayan, just keep in touch lang. Thank you so much, Loves Mars, for being so sweet to me and being so caring and thoughtful. Kahit na sa live chat lang tayo nagkakausap, ay nagkaka-chat, but I really feel the sincerity of your friendship. Thank you so much for being so sweet to me. Kahit sa ibang mga friends natin sa YT, alam ko this is really your ano talaga, ugali mo na talaga yung gano'n na very sweet ka sa lahat. Palagi ka nagsasabi ng I love you, tapos like ka nagtatanong na kumain ka na ba, yung mga ganyan ba, sobrang sweet, and I really appreciate yung mga ganong pinapakita mo sa akin. Malaking impact yun sa akin as a being a friend na dito sa YT. Ayan, thank you so much for everything, sa support mo sa aking channel, and I really wish na more viral videos for your channel, at saka para na rin sa ating mga ibang friends. Ayan, salamat sa support mo sa channel ko, and ayun lang, wala na akong ibang masabi. Sobrang bait mo at sobrang sweet. Yun talaga yung pinaka-gusto ko talaga, nagustuhan ko sa iyo. Happy birthday, Loves Mars Melanie. Don't change. Hanggang sa magkita tayo, ayan, magtawanan tayo, at bahala na kung saan tayo makarating pagka nakauwi ako. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa lahat, and happy birthday to you, Loves Mars Melanie. Melanie Tingson. Love you, Loves.
Hello everyone, this is JT and Virgie Costillas. We are here, guys, because we want to greet a happy birthday to Langga Melanie Tingson's vlog. Wish you all the best in life and wish you success in this YT journey, and God bless also your family. Thank you so much for supporting everyone and for inviting us in your special day. Happy birthday and enjoy your day, Langga. Happy birthday, Loves Melanie. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sis Melanie. Happy birthday. And thank you so much for everything. And thank you. You're always there, my friends. Sana huwag ka magbago. At Basta, kung ano man ang nasa puso mo, don't be changed, diba? Anyway, wish ko sana sa'yo more blessing and more birthdays to come, and of course, good health, diba? And sana lagi tayo magdarasal kung ano man mga pagsubok na dumarating sa atin sa buhay. Let's pray lang natin yan kasi nandyan lang naman si Lord, diba? Hindi tayo pinababayaan. So, basta laban lang. Happy birthday, Sis Melanie. And stay healthy, beauty, of course, and huwag ka magpaka-stress. Yan. Thank you, sis. Happy birthday again. Basta yun lang. Alam mo na. Basta, andito lang ako kung ano yung kailangan mo ng message ulit. Yan. Happy birthday, Sis Melanie. Take care always. Saan ka man, lagi ka mag-iingat. Okay? Bye. Love you. God bless. Happy birthday again.
Everyone, this is M. Stabs at andito po ako ngayon para batiin ang isa sa kaibigan natin dito sa YT World na magse-celebrate po ng kanyang kaarawan. Walang iba kundi si Sis Melanie Tingson's Toys. Happy birthday po, Sis Melanie. I wish you all the best in life at sana po ay lagi kayong i-bless ni Lord sa lahat ng bagay. Sana po ay palagi kayong maging malakas. Stay healthy always at syempre bigyan kayo ng dagdag kalakasan ni Lord para sa inyong pangangatawan at syempre para na rin sa iyong pamilya. Ayun lang po, Sis Melanie. Salamat po sa friendship dito sa YT World. Hindi lang sa YT World kasi nakita na rin naman po tayo, Sis Melanie. Thank you so much at sobrang bait ni Sis Melanie, guys. Ayan, salamat po sa palaging pag-support and yun lang, happy birthday once again, Sis Melanie, and I love you po.
Everyone, have a good day. This is Endemers Cute ng Balaga, Bohol. Today, I give some birthday greetings to our beloved Lalabs Melanie Tingson that celebrating her birthdays today. So, hindi ko na need na mag-makeup dahil maganda na ako. Maganda na ako. So, hi Lalabs, andito ako, sorry, no, arte-arte, no, babasahin ko ang aking birthday greetings para sa iyo. Happy birthday, may your day be as wonderful as you are. Cheers to another trip around the world. Have a great one. You deserve all the happiness today and always. Happy birthday. Thank you for being such a friend. May your birthday be amazing as you are. I'm so grateful for you, for your friendship. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy. So Lalab, I hope ma-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. You make the world a better place. Have an amazing birthday. May the year ahead be filled with joy, peace, and your heart's desire. Happy birthday. Wishing you a birthday as a beautiful as the blessings you bring to the world. Yan. Happy birthday, Lalab. Thank you for isa ako sa mga hiningian mo. I love you so much, Lalab. Basta, ganito lang ako. Maganda ako. Happy birthday. Mas maganda pa ako sa happy birthday. Ang kapal, no? So, yun lang, Lalabs. More cake to blow. More cake to slice and more cake to blow. Oh, mali na. More cake to slice, more candles to blow. Yun ang tama. So, bye-bye. I love you, Lalabs. Happy birthday. Mama. Chop. Mwah.
Dear Melanie, from the quiet shores of a Minnesota lake where the sun rises slow and golden, Grandpa, Astro, and Remy send you a birthday blessing wrapped in the morning light and wiggling tails. May your year ahead be as flavorful as your food adventures, as rich as your family moments, and as thrilling as your travels. May each unboxing reveal not just surprises, but joy. And may leisure always find you in laughter and peace. Astro and Remy bark a cheerful hello, tails waggling in rhythm with your videos. They say, keep sharing the light, your stories, your heart. You make the world feel a little more connected, a little more kind. From Grandpa's porch to your vibrant corner of the Philippines, we're grateful to your friendship, your creativity, and the way you make every day feel like a celebration. Happy birthday, Melanie. Keep filming, keep smiling, and know you've got fans and furry ones across the globe. With love, Grandpa, Astro, and Remy.
Hello everyone, it's Melanie once again, and I just want to say thank you so very much for those wonderful birthday greetings. I feel so loved, and again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so very much. I love you all.